Hey guys, it's Intricate and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys. Here I have the Glamour Luxe Edit Beauty box, and this is basically a box full of skincare products. I have not opened it and I have not used any of the products in here, but I really did want to open it with you guys so you can see what's inside. And I won't be using the products today, but I thought let's just open it, you know, let's just see what's inside. So this is our box. So it came with the Glamour logo and it says the Luxe Edit. So I don't actually remember what's in here, so we're gonna open it together and see. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly talk you through the products. So I have my little thing that they gave me with all the product descriptions here. It says what's inside, so let me tell you what's inside. I don't know if I'm saying these things right, guys, but let's just pretend I am. Oh, before we even get started, guys, I just had to double check. The products in that box are worth £257. However, it only costs £35. And I think that's a pretty good bargain, if you ask me. So first up, we have the Evlon Rescue Mask. And they describe this as a complexion lifesaver that you should use twice a week. And it helps improve your hydration, refine your pores, and you have smoother, happier skin. Great. And also it says it's good for dullness, congestion, and an uneven skin tone. So I feel quite dull nowadays, to be honest, but hopefully this can help to really bring out that glow. Next we have Dr. Sebag Serum Repair. This supposedly is skin plumping and glow boosting, so it's for radiance and fresher looking hydrated skin. You can use it as a mask or under your makeup for a super smooth base, which is great because I've just run out of primer, so I might try this as primer when I next wear some makeup. The Evlon was worth £55. This is worth £20. Next up we have the Garnier A Belle Royale Youth Watery Oil, and it's worth £40. And apparently it's a groundbreaking oil and water formula, and it is supposed to have age-defying treatment, and you'll have noticeably firmer skin, improving the texture, and it delivers a rich blend of black bee honey. I don't know what black bee is, but royal jelly and myrrh, like what they gave baby Jesus. Okay. Next we have the Kerastase Elixir Alt. It's not even in English. Well, we have this elixir and it's worth $39.90. And this is for my hair. So it's for locking in hair moisture, smoothing out flyaways. So I guess I can use it on my wigs. Should I try use it now, guys? It's for dull hair. It adds gloss and shine, and it's also an armor against heat damage, and it smells good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open this right now. Okay, that might be a bit much. Can you all see that? It does add a lot of sheen and shine, I won't lie to you. Did something, didn't it? I do my eyebrows as well. Okay, no, I don't think that's what it's for. Anyway, okay, so next we have the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, and this is £11.50, and this is basically the perfect everyday cleanser. Suitable for all skin types, and it's gentle yet hardworking. It's good to take away makeup, mascara, and impurities. Doesn't scrub nor does it sting, and it just feels kind on the skin with a whiff of lovely cucumber. So next we have the Hair by Sam McKnight Texture Mist, and this is worth £25. And Sam McKnight is a top hairstylist for celebrities, so I do think this is going to be a good product, but we'll see. Apparently it gives us a bit of volume without the stickiness, flakiness, or added weight, with a gorgeous scent. So we'll see what we get out of this. Next we have Dr. Dennis's Gross, is it gross or gross? We don't know, but it's Dr. Dennis's Alpha Beta Universal Daily Pill, and this is £19. There's 5 treatments within this box. It's a daily pill, and what it does, it's good for tackling redness, acne scars, and sun damage without the sensitivity, which is pretty good. I have a lot of acne scars, so hopefully this will be useful. I'm kind of excited to use it. Okay, and next we have, this is great. I just bought a new mascara. I didn't realize there was a mascara in this box, but it's okay. Can't really get too much mascara. And this is worth £25. It's the It's the Shush.
As no, I promise, like, and even it's been a weird.
This is a controlled chaos mascara ink in black pearls, and apparently it's really good. Like, it has the perfect brush size, but it's also good for those little eyelashes in the corner of your eyes. So you know, sometimes you have a really fat brush and you're trying to get them and it's just clumping them together into one eyelash. Apparently this is good for those little ones, you know, really get that fan volumized look. But you know, these eyelash people love to lie. Everything is volumizing, extending, lengthening. There's not really much difference a lot of the time, but we'll see. And apparently using this adds length, but you don't need lash curlers. It cuts out the need for lash curlers. The formula is buildable, doesn't clump, smudge or fade. That one there, we'll see in it. We'll see if it's cat, but do you know what I mean? That's a big statement. It's buildable, does not clump, smudge or fade. When I use this, guys, I'll let you know. And last but not least, we have the Elemis Superfood Night Cream, £21.20, and apparently this is much loved. It's a very popular product. You put this on before bed, and when you wake up, you have gloriously refreshed, glowing skin. The words they use on these things, yeah, it's a lot, but I believe you. And I also ran out of night cream, so this is great that I have night cream. In fact, I'm happy about a lot of these products because I kind of forgot what was in the box because I ordered it quite a while ago, but I did want to unbox it with you guys. So opening it now, I was gonna go shopping tomorrow and get some more skincare stuff, but I think this has given me a lot of the things I needed in the first place. So that is great. So guys, that is our unboxing of the Glamour Beauty Luxe Edit box, and those are all the products. It was £35, but you get £257 worth of products. I'm also an advocate for the Glamour Beauty Club just because they've given me some free products here and there, and products that I really actually liked using. So it's free to sign up. You literally they get people to test out a few products here and there. That is it, Glamour Beauty. They also have a magazine. They have loads of events as well, like loads of wellness days, events with influencers, with people in the industry, and it's very informative, to be honest. So yeah, so that was me unboxing their Luxe Edit beauty box, and I really enjoyed it. I'm really excited to use these products. Boy. But thank you guys for watching, and thank you for unboxing it with me. I will see you next time. Hold on. Where are you rushing to? Don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe. You know the vibe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.